hello everyone, my name is AmeriDutchFilipina. Check out my YouTube channel as well, AmeriDutchFilipina. I am also doing a travel blog. So guys, I actually tried staying in here. It's from essential oil. The next day it's already arrived. Mode to make it so it lasts for 60 hours. So there is a night mode so that it's not so noisy. I don't want to set the timer. Level 2. There we go. I'm going to put that. This is how it looks like. I ordered 2 of these. More mist inside your room. Night light. We are in 3 level. So hello everyone, my name is AmeriDutchFilipina. Check out my YouTube channel as well, AmeriDutchFilipina. So I am also doing a travel blog. So now I just decided that I'm gonna do unboxing stuff from Amazon. Actually, I just ordered this yesterday, and you know what? It came so fast. I just ordered it normal delivery. It's already in here. I already opened the Amazon box. Actually, I ordered a big 2 humidifier and the oil so that we will have a very good sense inside our house. So this is the first one. So I ordered 2 of these humidifier. It looks very cool and it's big. It lasts for 60 hours and it's pretty big. And also I haven't used this one, so this is my first time that I ordered this kind of brand. Also it has a timer. I don't know if you can see it. It has a timer, 3-speed level. So you can of course, like if you want more mist, so you go from first level, second level until 3rd level, so you can have more mist inside your room or inside the living room. And also has a night light, large capacity, and humidity setting, so you can sit whichever. If it's so humid, you can sit more or so whatever, and basically it's all the same. So I ordered 2 of these, and actually this is the big box from Amazon. I'm just in my staircase, guys, so it's easier here to open. And what's inside, it's very protected. Descended with a lot of plastic balloons so that it won't damage your orders. And so this is the other essential oil that I ordered. It's aromatic therapy receipts history. So it has different kinds. I love the lavender scent, so probably use more, but well, I want to try everything in here. So as you can see, there are a lot of variety that you can use. So I'm gonna mention 3 of them. There is of course the lavender and orange. And if you want to feel good at night, if you're a little bit sick, so they have also like feel good. This essential oil is 100% pure, natural, authentic. So yeah, how many of this? So I think I bought this one for 15 bucks maybe, or 19 bucks, I'm not sure. I'm gonna check it out later. But there are 2, 4, 6, 12 of them. 12 different smells. Okay, so this is the other one. So yeah, I ordered two. One for my baby's room and one for in our living room. So because we had like two humidifiers, both of them are broken, so we need to have a new one. And lately he couldn't sleep without a humidifier. It's very dry here in Las Vegas, so we need a humidifier. So anyway guys, I will open the first one. So actually I open it. So I'm gonna show you inside. Just gonna put it in here so that you guys can see. It's pretty big. And what I like about this one, because it's pretty easy to pick it up when you put water in it. So this open. Let's do this. So there are a lot of protection they put so that it's very safe, and there is also plastic. And oh, this is actually pretty cute because they have like a very nice gold, gray, dark gray envelope. It's thank you for your support. Now I felt good to purchase this one actually on Amazon. So I will just, so let's see what's inside then. So this is what's inside, the manual that you can read, and it is also says it's a free return, free lifetime product support, happiness and guaranteed. We promise 30 days refund, no question asked. That is so nice. So that is nice, and I love the envelope. It's very pretty. So I will just put it back here. Check the manual later. This is how it looks like inside. So I will just open one just to show you guys how it looks like. It looks pretty big actually, and maybe I can put it here. So it's very, I need a knife, sorry for the knife. Maybe I could try to put it in here so that you guys can see. Then you can actually just, so this is the container where you will put the water. There is a lid. So this is the lid of this container, and actually it's very easy to fill up water because you know what, this is the base. As you can see, it also has a foam so that it won't damage. I was trying to find the charger, so this is that. I don't know what is this for. I have to check the manual. When you fill up the water, you will just lift this up. It's very cute. Lift this up, and then you just put in here. There is also like a quick manual where you can see it immediately. You, by looking at it, you will know what to do already. So just like that, and then you put water and all kinds. The one I mentioned, there are 3 things. There is like a timer, power timer, etc., and there is like a night, just sleeping time. And then it says you can fill up the water until 1.7 liter. So that is until here, and then like that, and then this is how it looks like. So the reason why I purchased this one, the essential oil, because in this machine you can actually put the oil. There's a little thing in here, you can pull it out and you can actually put the oil in here. Super easy. Let's try this one. I just opened the essential oil. Look at that, it's very cute. They also includes like a little book, and inside the books there are different or 350 plus different kinds of essential oil, so that is very cute. So let's go, let's do it. So I already set this machine, and now we're gonna fill up. Just pull this out, the lid out, and then we were just going to fill up water. So guys, it's almost the maximum level of water. I'm gonna put the lid on, and then power on, and we are in 3 level already. It smells so good. And now I am just going to pour this in. Pour this in. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but something like that, just a little bit. It's a lavender oil, and then I'll just pull it out. So yeah, that's it. So guys, I actually transferred the humidifier next to the crib of my son. So this one you can see already, it's humidifying and it's in a full humidifying level, like level 3, and water comes out in 90%. So that's why it's pretty heavy. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and make sure to hit the subscribe button, like, comments, or share, and thank you so much. Until the next time, bye.